What's going on, kings and queens? All right, so how would I explain this? I actually thought I was looking for it the other day, and I couldn't. Where did I put it? And I thought to myself, you know what? I'll check where I put my watch boxes, and it was actually still in the watch box. I don't know if I even worn this thing. I think I've been like saving to wear it, saving time to wear it, or making excuses to wear it when the time's right. I think I wanted to like wear it at Galaxy's Edge or one of the next Star Wars movies. And then I went and saw Episode 9 after. Yeah, I took a bunch of animals to the vet, and they loaned me cages, so I went back to town to drop off the cages. The movie theater is just down the street, and I thought, I wonder if I can get in to see Star Wars Episode 9. So I got into Episode 9 like that second, and I just drove over there and watched it. And I didn't have time to go over and get, a t-shirt and the Star Wars watch, and it was just a spur of the moment thing while I was in town. And and so I didn't really have a chance to wear this before the whole crisis hit. We were going to go to Galaxy's Edge and Disneyland, and never had a chance to wear it there either. So this just set in the box. It's just set in the box. I don't want to take it to work and get it all beat up. So here it is. So you're actually getting to see like an unboxing of sorts. Okay, even though it's not like a brand new item, because I put it all back in the way it's all pristine. Well, anyways, this is the Darth Vader Invicta Star Wars watch. So it's got a black box that it comes in. Okay, so I'm going to open this up now. Sorry about that long story. So anyway, here's the paper actually comes on. I left the paper on. Tissue paper. So there's an outer box, which some Invictas, some of the Invictas do come in these outer boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. I set that aside. I actually did this the other day, checking up on it before because I just started my channel here. So I'll show you the box here. Invicta limited edition Star Wars. I open it up here, and it is Darth Vader. It's the Darth Vader Invicta Darth Vader watch. So there it is. Yep, Invicta Darth Vader watch. So the two complications are his eyes and... Is that it? I thought that was... I don't know what that is down there. I don't think the mouth portion's a complication. Unidirectional bezel. So, let's see. I'm going to pull it out of the pillow here. I don't know if I had papers or not. Papers might be around here somewhere. That's supposed to be where the papers go. I don't know what it was for papers, but here's the pillow. It was the black pillow. It's the Darth Vader version. Okay, so there's the band. Has those lines that Darth Vader's suit has. They're reminiscent of the suit. Has a real neat kind of a gloss black buckle. And on the back here it says Star Wars Darth Vader. So it is a Trinite Night Glow Flame Fusion Crystal. I didn't know this is Flame Fusion Crystal. Japan chronograph stainless steel case, 100 meter. So model 26066, and there's an Invicta there on the side. So yeah, it's all blacked out. Yeah, Darth Vader. Thought about doing this huge, opening where I got my Don Post Studios mask out and fire up one of the big Ultra Sabers over here, but I don't know, I'm just going to get this over with. I'm going to show you guys the watch and check it out. I think you can still be able to get some of these online. I don't know if Invicta still makes them or not, if they're actively manufacturing them or not, or what, but I just saw this and swooped on it, and I was going to wear this to Galaxy's Edge. I mean, you know, when Galaxy's Edge opens back up, I'll probably pack this on the luggage or wear it on my wrist on the way down. So, yeah, check it out. I think they had a C-3PO. I think they had an R2-D2. They had a Boba Fett, and then they had Darth Vader. I think that's what they had. I can't remember exactly what they had, but I think that's what they had. All right, so try this on. See, I don't want to take this to work. I don't want to tear this all up, so. But it's pretty comfortable. You know, I'd wear it all day. Alrighty, so there it is. Darth Vader by Watch by Invicta. So you know what I like to say. Don't worry about the haters, just let the haters worry about you. Oh, you want to notice too? On the hour hand, it's the Imperial symbol on the hour hand. I just noticed that. Let me go ahead and. It's not a screw down crown. So let me see if I see the second hand. Okay, here it is. Okay, so I pull it out, and it is hacking. The second hand stops. So I'm going to move this down so you can see the Star Wars logo underneath the Invicta. Also notice that the 12 marker is a red Imperial symbol too. Yeah. There's the Star Wars logo on the Invicta marker. I mean below the Invicta mark. So you have a Star Wars mark too. So I'll set this back to... And also some of these are Imperial symbols here along the edge of the unidirectional bezel. So 405. Nope. Hold on a second. Yeah, it's unidirectional. Okay, there we go. Back to 60. So back to 60. That's what it looks like. All right. So, see you on the next one.